Roll your underlay down the face over the existing valley. Place the valley in position and mark out where the two starters are. Trim this area and create a triangle flap to prevent birds entering the roof space. When overlapping valley trays, tap the hem outwards and flat and overlap a minimum of 150mm. Once your new valley is in place, tap your hems over to secure it. Secure your valleys with seal shore screws as close to the outside hem as possible. To finish the valley at the ridge, mark where the ridge battens sit and add 40mm for your upstand. Cut along these lines and create two back flaps on the valley to provide a tidy finish. The nose bend of your starting and finishing tiles should be cut back 150mm from the valley to allow water to escape.